Paul Evans, Findlay-Evans Waterproofing. This is a video just to show an overall aspect of healthcare facilities in Victoria that we've been working on. We've got a number of them now, so we thought we'd just showcase a few of them. This is Epworth Hospital. This is a multiple roof job that we embarked on, and the torch on membrane there was causing us a lot of grief, so that was removed and replaced with our system. Our system has got a fiberglass interlayer which is built into the membrane system, which is multiple layers. These jobs all, in particular, are hospitals, and they needed to keep operating 24/7. This is the challenges for waterproofing. We managed to work it around by using our ingenuity, I suppose, and set up a method of waterproofing it in stages so we wouldn't expose a whole area all at once and potentially causing ingress of water into critical areas such as operating theatres and also power plant rooms, which is critical for a hospital, of course. The Footscray Hospital was a sort of a separate area again, where this is the recreation area, or as we might put it, smoko area sometimes. People want to retreat and get outside in the sunshine, have their lunch and so on. This was in very poor condition, so we stripped it all back and took it back to zero, and then waterproofed the whole area again, laid down our Arma-Blue and our synthetic grass system, which came up with a very pleasing aesthetic as well as combating the waterproofing problems. Staff and everybody are very, very happy with that area. The Sunshine Hospital had multiple areas. There was 3 large stairwells that were all leaking, that had what's termed as a BUR, which is a rubberised sheet system on it originally. So on the stairwells we actually kept that intact, and then we did an overcoat system and rebond of the BUR system. This was favoured only because of cost and also for time. So the system that we applied over the top gives it an entire membrane in itself, so it's completely watertight. The roof itself was again the BUR system. This was in very poor condition. Stripped that all up, got back to the original slab, did detailing work and prepared everything for our system to go down. Once our system was laid down and a top coat put down over the top to give it a bit of durability, this was all tested and made sure it was all fine. The staff and the engineering fraternity at the hospital were extremely happy with the end result, with no water ingress during the process of doing the works. The infrastructure side of things is something that we specialise in. A company that are well versed in the many facets of hospital workings, and getting in and out and onto the roofs is often difficult, but we managed to do that and keep everybody happy. That's what it's all about. Thanks for listening. This is Paul from Findlay-Evans Waterproofing. If you want to call us, please call us in Melbourne, 03 8812 2918, or the website again is www.waterproofingfew.com.au. Thanks for listening, and bye for now.